Are you struggling to reach and keep your employees engaged? Is your important information seen and understood? Do not fret. Yodeck Digital Signage is here to save the day. Today's business world moves so fast, and with the rise of remote work and distributed teams, it's essential to find an effective communication method so you can keep your employees informed, engaged, and motivated. Yodeck is a cloud-based digital signage software that will help you get your updates and important information out to your employees from anywhere at any time. With Yodeck, you can reach all of your employees from one location, no matter how scattered they are around the globe. We have 7 useful tips so you can truly capture the attention of your workforce and drive meaningful communication. Watch your team thrive once you've implemented these tips. 1. Keep it visual. First, you have to keep it visual. Whether you're sharing company news, upcoming events, or important reminders, catch your employees' attention and encourage them to take notes. We are naturally drawn to visuals, so make sure that your announcements are visually appealing and easy to digest. We have hundreds of free layout templates that can help you with this. Incorporate vibrant, bright colours and keep the text concise to convey your message quickly and effectively. 2. Provide relevant content. Don't fall in the trap of bombarding your employees with irrelevant information. To avoid an overload and ensure your announcements are well received, focus on providing timely, useful, and relevant content. Tailor your messages to your employees' interests, concerns, and needs. That could be highlighting upcoming deadlines, celebrating team achievements, or sharing industry insights. 3. Promote interactivity. Want to boost employee engagement? Try using interactive content that gets everyone involved and encourages feedback. Incorporate polls, quizzes, and surveys into your announcements. It's a great way to gather input from your team. These tools help you collect valuable insights whilst making employees feel included and part of the decision-making process. By inviting your employees to interact with the content, you'll not only increase engagement, but also show them that their opinions and contributions matter. 4. Keep it fresh. Ever notice how some digital signs just blend into the background? That's digital signage fatigue, and we want to help you avoid it. Stale and outdated content loses its impact fast. Instead of grabbing attention, it becomes, well, just part of the scenery. Keep things lively by regularly updating your content with fresh, dynamic visuals and messages. This keeps your announcements exciting and engaging. Rotate your content often. Highlight new initiatives, showcase exciting updates, and celebrate achievements within your organization. Keeping your content current and relevant, it always stands out. 5. Embrace variety. To keep your announcements fresh and engaging, it's important to mix up your content formats and delivery methods. Don't just stick to static images or text messages. Try incorporating multimedia content like videos, animations, and live streams. This approach will capture your employees' attention more effectively and make your information stick. By blending different content formats, you can cater to various learning styles and preferences within your workforce. 6. Create a content calendar. Do you want to keep your announcements consistent and well organized? Here's a simple strategy that can make a big difference. Create a content scheduling strategy. This involves outlining your upcoming messages, themes, and events in a clear plan. Having a well-planned content calendar ensures you always have a steady stream of relevant and timely information to share. Plus, it helps you avoid those last-minute scrambles. And most importantly, it ensures that your messaging aligns perfectly with your broader organizational goals and initiatives. 7. Ask for feedback. And finally, ask for feedback. It's super important to know how well your announcements are landing and what you can do to improve them. Encourage your team to share their thoughts, suggestions, and preferences about the announcements. This includes everything from content, timing, and format. And remember, be open to their input. Making adjustments based on their feedback is key to successful communication. By continuously refining your strategy with the help of your team's feedback, you can ensure that your announcements remain engaging, informative, and impactful. So keep that feedback loop open and watch your communication game level up. Making announcements with Yodeck Digital Signage can be a powerful tool for engaging and informing employees across various locations, but the effectiveness will ultimately depend on how well the messages resonate with your audience. Follow these 7 tips to maximize the impact of your announcements and create a more informed, engaged, and motivated workforce. For more insights, visit our blog at yodeck.com and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.